It is a speed clean with me in my bedroom. It was a hot mess. We had stuff literally everywhere, as you can see. But please stick around and watch this video. Also, sorry for the lighting. I just got a new camera and I'm trying to adjust and figure everything out. So yeah. I have a pretty big load of clothes to fold. So as you see, me and my sister are folding the clothes. She's helping me out while we watch a little bit of YouTube and catch up on things. Before I put the other load in the wash machine, I decided to fold these ones first. So right here, I am just putting a load of clothes in the washing machine. And as you see, I am super low on pods. But because of this coronavirus going around, my store didn't have much of nothing. So hopefully they'll stock up soon so I can go ahead and fill that jar up. But right now, I'm just throwing a load in the washing machine. And yeah. So probably right here, you're wondering, why isn't my steam mop plugged up? Well, it's not plugged up because I put some bleach and Fabuloso on the floor and I didn't want to steam mop it. I just wanted a regular mop it. So I just did it that way and it was much easier for me. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me and this gave you some motivation to clean your bedrooms or whatever part of the house. Thanks again for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already subscribed. And also, if you are, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the bell alert. I upload every Monday and every Friday. My content is more of life, home style, cooking, clean with me, and much more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Be safe.